just when you thought 5G was fast. Here comes 6G, a network so powerful, it could make virtual teleportation a real thing. But here's the question. How will 6G actually be different from 5G? Is it just faster download speeds, or something way bigger? In this video, we're breaking down how 6G will transform the way we live, connect, and think, and why it's going to change everything. Yes, 6G will be faster. We're talking 1 terabit per second. That's up to 100 times faster than 5G. But speed is just the surface. 6G isn't just about downloading movies in a blink. It's about real-time everything. Instant communication with zero lag. Anywhere, anytime. 5G connected people. 6G will connect intelligent machines, cars, drones, robots, and devices that make their own decisions. Imagine millions of devices around you thinking, sensing, and reacting in real time. This is the network that will run the artificial intelligence-powered world. Say goodbye to Zoom calls. With 6G, you'll be able to project full-body holograms, share 3D experiences, and walk through virtual cities with someone thousands of miles away. This is more than video. It's spatial presence. You won't just talk, you'll feel like you're actually there. 6G won't just be powered by towers. It'll be powered by low-orbit satellites. This means global coverage, even in the most remote mountains, deserts, or oceans. No signal zones. The entire Earth becomes connected. 6G will be smart enough to sense its surroundings, could detect movement through walls, monitor your vital signs, or even protect buildings from threats in real time. It's network meets radar meets intelligence, built for a safer, smarter world. The craziest part, just like nobody imagined Uber or TikTok during the 3G era, 6G will unlock tech we can't even predict yet. Think, instant language translation via neural links, remote surgeries with zero latency, or digital twins of yourself. 6G is already in the works. Samsung, Nokia, and Huawei are testing early models. Expected launch 2030. But countries like China, the US, and South Korea are already racing to be the first. 6G isn't just the next generation, it's the next era. An era of holographic calls, artificial intelligence cities, and full-body internet. So next time you hear someone say, 5G is fast enough, remember, we're just getting started. If you're excited for the future, hit that like button. Drop a comment below with how you think 6G will change your life, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech that's way beyond.